Ever felt bloated or uncomfortable due to irregular bowel movements? You're not alone. This is a common problem that many of us face. It can lead to discomfort, lethargy, and even impact our overall health. But don't worry, there are ways to tackle this issue head-on. With a few simple techniques and changes to your lifestyle, you can improve your digestion and feel better. In today's video, we will guide you on how to empty your bowels quickly and cleanse your colon. Before we dive into the solutions, it's crucial to understand what we're dealing with. The bowel and colon are key players in your digestive system. The bowel, which includes the small and large intestines, is where most of the digestion and absorption of nutrients occur. The colon, a part of the large intestine, works as a waste management facility, compacting and storing the waste until it's ready to be expelled. A healthy bowel and colon are essential to our overall health. Regular bowel movements indicate a healthy digestive system and are necessary for expelling waste and toxins from our bodies. A clean colon, on the other hand, ensures that waste and toxins don't build up and cause health issues. In essence, a well-functioning bowel and colon are like the unsung heroes of our bodies, quietly doing their jobs to keep us healthy and energized. Now that we have the basics, we can move on to the practical steps. So, how can you empty your bowels quickly? Let's dive in. The first step in promoting swift bowel movements is regular exercise. A brisk walk in the morning, a midday yoga session, or even an evening dance class can stimulate your intestines and encourage bowel movements. Physical activity is a natural stimulant for your digestive system, so make sure to incorporate it into your daily routine. Next, remember to stay hydrated. Water plays an essential role in digestion. It helps dissolve fats and soluble fiber, allowing these substances to pass through more easily. So, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Try to include other hydrating drinks like herbal teas and fresh fruit juices into your diet as well. Thirdly, consuming fiber-rich foods is key. Foods such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes can significantly increase the weight and size of your stool, making it easier to pass. So fill your plate with these nutrient-packed foods to help keep things moving along. Lastly, it's important to manage stress. High stress levels can alter your gut's natural rhythm, leading to issues like constipation or diarrhea. Try incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even reading a good book into your routine to help keep stress at bay. By following these steps, you can promote regular bowel movements and reduce discomfort. Now, let's talk about cleansing the colon. This can be a game changer for your digestive health. When it comes to detoxifying your colon, you've got a few options. The first, and possibly the easiest, is to consume foods rich in probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help balance your gut flora, promoting a healthier digestive system. Foods like yogurt, kimchi, and kefir are excellent sources of these little gut helpers. Next, consider green tea. This antioxidant-rich beverage not only boosts your metabolism, but also has a cleansing effect on your colon. It's like a spa treatment for your insides. And let's not forget herbal teas like senna. This plant is often used in over-the-counter colon cleanse products due to its natural laxative properties. But remember, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can tip the balance in the wrong direction. Remember, a clean colon contributes to a healthier body, and a healthier you is definitely something worth striving for. So, there you have it, your guide to emptying your bowels quickly and cleansing your colon. In this journey, we've uncovered the mysteries of the bowel and colon, how they work, and their importance to our overall health. We've delved into practical steps you can take to ensure a quick and efficient bowel movement, and explored how to cleanse the colon, promoting a healthier digestive system and a happier you. Remember, these methods are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They may work differently for different individuals. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. This ensures that the changes you make are safe and suitable for your specific health needs. We encourage you to try these methods and share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons for more health-related content.